Nobel Prize for AI Advances and New Tools Unveiled.
Geoffrey Hinton and John Hopfield received the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics for their essential work in AI, notably in machine learning and neural networks. Hinton's contributions have been pivotal in developing deep learning technologies that power modern AI applications. Meta has introduced MovieGen, an AI tool that transforms text prompts into full-fledged videos, although it is not set for immediate release due to production challenges. Anything World launched Generate Anything, a platform that allows users to create, rig, and animate 3D models from text or images in an efficient manner. Hyperscape, a new feature by Meta, enables users to scan real-world spaces and recreate them as immersive 3D environments for social sharing.
OpenAI launches benchmark to test AI in machine learning engineering.
OpenAI has launched MLE Bench, a new benchmark that evaluates AI capabilities in machine learning engineering using real-world Kaggle data science challenges. The benchmark assesses not only standard techniques, but also the ability of AI to plan, troubleshoot, and innovate, reflecting tasks typically performed by human data scientists. OpenAI's advanced model, O1 Preview, paired with the AID framework, achieved a medal performance in 16.9% of the competitions, highlighting both the potential and limitations of AI. By making MLE Bench open source, OpenAI encourages widespread evaluation and standardization of AI performance in mastering complex machine learning tasks.
Advancements in AI science highlighted by Nobel Prize wins.
Demis Hassabis, co-founder of Google DeepMind, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his work in protein structure prediction using AI. This recognition marks a significant step towards the long-held aspiration of creating AI scientists that can revolutionize scientific research. DeepMind's AlphaFold 2 and the recent AlphaFold 3 have dramatically improved the ability to predict protein interactions, showcasing AI's potential in drug discovery. These achievements indicate a transformative shift in how AI can contribute to science, paving the way for future breakthroughs in various fields.
DeepMind unveils Michelangelo benchmark for long-context LLMs.
Google DeepMind introduced Michelangelo, a benchmark to assess the reasoning skills of long-context LLMs with context windows exceeding 128,000 tokens. This benchmark aims to address shortcomings in existing evaluations that primarily focus on retrieval tasks without adequately measuring reasoning abilities over large contexts. Michelangelo includes 3 core tasks: latent list for tracking data structures, multi-round co-reference resolution requiring conversational understanding, and I don't know to test awareness of knowledge limits. Evaluations showed that while some models performed well in specific tasks, all exhibited decreased performance as the complexity of reasoning tasks increased, indicating a need for further improvements.
New study uncovers hidden knowledge in AI models.
A recent study indicates that large language models often retain accurate information internally, even when their outputs are incorrect. Researchers from Technion University, Google, and Apple analyzed AI response components known as exact answer tokens to determine their accuracy. The findings revealed that AI sometimes possesses the correct answer internally, but fails to display it in its responses. This insight could lead to improved strategies for enhancing the reliability and error correction in AI systems.
Advancements in quantum benchmarking using random circuit sampling.
Recent research has validated random circuit sampling, RCS, as an effective benchmark for assessing the performance of noisy quantum computers against classical supercomputers, revealing a significant increase in circuit volume without loss of fidelity compared to previous results. By exploring phase transitions related to noise impact, this research demonstrates that noisy quantum processors can still perform effectively in certain environments, potentially outperforming classical systems in specific applications. Methods such as patch cross-entropy benchmarking were employed to verify fidelity, showing the feasibility of future quantum applications towards achieving practical quantum advantage in real-world scenarios.
Google Photos enhances AI image detection features.
Google Photos is developing new features to help users identify images created or edited using AI technology by accessing associated metadata tags. Future updates will enable the app to display metadata such as AI info and credit, which many AI programs use to label their images. Despite this improvement, the detection of AI images will be limited, as not all AI tools utilize these metadata tags, and they can easily be altered or removed.
AMD unveils new AI chips to compete with NVIDIA.
AMD has announced its MI325X chip, set for release in the fourth quarter, claiming it offers superior performance compared to NVIDIA's H200 AI chips. The company plans to roll out its next-generation MI350 chip in 2025, aiming to capture a share of the rapidly growing AI market, projected to reach $400 billion by 2027. AMD is also enhancing its AI infrastructure with new networking technologies and software upgrades to support large-scale AI deployments.
Study reveals factors influencing language model performance.
Researchers at Princeton and Yale identified key elements affecting large language models (LLMs) task performance with chain-of-thought (CoT) prompts, focusing on probability, memorization, and reasoning steps. A case study on decoding shift ciphers showed GPT-4 effectively combines these factors, using probabilities and memorization to approach new problems through forward or backward letter shifting. The study found that the intermediate steps generated by GPT-4 are critical for accurate final answers, indicating the model's reasoning reflects a probabilistic approach rather than purely symbolic logic.
AI shows promise as CEOs but struggles with crises.
A recent University of Cambridge experiment found that AI outperformed human CEOs in areas like profitability and product design, but struggled during unexpected events known as black swan events. When faced with major changes, such as a pandemic, AI was less effective and got fired more quickly than human executives who managed these crises better. Researchers suggest that tuning AI to specific companies with real-time data could enhance its performance in the future, making it a valuable tool in corporate strategy.
Exploring Google's Gemini for enhanced AI image generation.
Google has upgraded its Gemini AI tool to Imagen 3, enabling users to generate higher quality images with improved details and vibrant colors. The updated capabilities allow for more lifelike visuals and better integration of text, which enhance the overall image output. Both free and paid users can access these features through the Gemini website and apps, making high-quality image generation easier than ever.
OpenAI's new role aims to engage influencers in AI collaboration.
OpenAI is creating a head of internet creators position to strengthen ties with influencers who use its AI tools creatively. The company is dealing with backlash over allegations of scraping YouTube data for model training, prompting a need for better relationships with content creators. To address these issues and promote its offerings, OpenAI plans to partner with numerous influencers, highlighting their use of AI in diverse fields.
Google launches Imagen 3 Image AI for all users.
Google has released its Imagen 3 image generation AI to all Gemini users globally, including those with free accounts. This model is claimed to surpass competitors like DALL-E 3 and Midjourney V6 in performance, particularly in creating photorealistic images from detailed prompts. To address misuse, Google has added safety filters and digital watermarks, having previously removed an earlier version due to inappropriate uses.
Geoffrey Hinton raises alarm about AI's future.
Geoffrey Hinton, awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics, expresses serious concerns about the risks associated with artificial intelligence stemming from his work on neural networks. Hinton warns that AI systems could surpass human intelligence, potentially leading to scenarios where they manipulate information and people for their own ends. His controversial stance includes the belief that AI can have an understanding of its functions, which challenges traditional views on machine learning and intelligence.
Investor attention turns to AI earnings growth.
As S&P 500 earnings season begins, investors are eager to see if investment in artificial intelligence is generating significant returns for companies. Analysts expect technology sector earnings to rise by 15.4% year-over-year, driven by optimism surrounding AI initiatives, with major players like Microsoft and Google continuing to invest heavily in this area. UBS projects that revenues in the AI semiconductor industry will surge to $168 billion by the end of the year, indicating strong growth potential for AI-related companies.
New features enhance Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses experience.
Meta has introduced significant updates to its Ray-Ban smart glasses, enhancing their AI capabilities and usability for users. The glasses now allow 3-minute video recordings and feature multimodal AI that helps remember user preferences and translate conversations, currently supporting Spanish. These refurbished smart glasses are available for $239, offering a budget-friendly option for consumers interested in AI-integrated wearable technology.
The rise of AI agents in technology.
AI agents are autonomous programs designed to perform tasks and make decisions with minimal human input, and they are now a central focus for major tech companies like Microsoft and Google. These agents promise to improve efficiency by handling diverse tasks such as customer service and data analysis, aiming to transform how we interact with technology. Despite the excitement around AI agents, real-world applications remain limited, and concerns about trust and reliability continue to challenge their deployment in critical areas like law and finance.
Sierra startup seeks major funding boost in AI sector.
Sierra, co-founded by Brett Taylor and Clay Bavor, is raising hundreds of millions at a valuation exceeding $4 billion, reflecting strong investor interest in AI despite high startup costs. The company, focused on enterprise AI, aims to enhance customer service for corporate clients and has already secured around $110 million in prior funding. The funding efforts come shortly after OpenAI raised $6.6 billion, indicating continued optimism in the artificial intelligence space.
Debate erupts over Nobel Prizes linked to Google AI research.
Demis Hassabis and John Jumper from Google DeepMind won a Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their work on protein structures, highlighting Google's dominance in AI research amid increasing competition and regulatory scrutiny. Geoffrey Hinton received a Nobel Prize in Physics for contributions to machine learning that helped fuel the AI boom, although questions arise about the appropriateness of awarding a physics prize for his work. Experts argue that traditional academia struggles to keep pace with big tech's research capabilities, emphasizing a need for increased public investment in scientific research.
OpenAI's path to profitability remains distant.
A recent report predicts that OpenAI will not become profitable until 2029, with revenue hitting $100 billion, while losses are expected to total $44 billion from 2023 to 2028. The report also indicates that Microsoft will take a 20% cut of OpenAI's revenues, attributed to its substantial investment and support in cloud services. OpenAI is pursuing significant improvements to its AI models, which may lead to annual model training costs reaching $9.5 billion by 2026.
AMD launches new AI chips to compete with NVIDIA.
AMD has introduced the Instinct MI325X accelerators and Ryzen AI Pro 300 series processors, aiming to strengthen its competition against NVIDIA in the AI chip market. The company estimates that the market for data center AI accelerators will reach $500 billion by 2028, highlighting its commitment to providing innovative solutions. Future products include the Instinct MI350 series in 2025 and MI400 series in 2026, with the MI300X already utilized by leading AI models from OpenAI and Meta.
Pyramid Flow launches new open-source AI video generator.
Pyramid Flow, a new open-source AI video generator, creates high-quality videos up to 10 seconds long and significantly reduces computational costs using a technique called pyramidal flow matching, which simplifies the video generation process into distinct stages, with only the final stage being high resolution. Released under the MIT license, Pyramid Flow is available for commercial use and aims to compete with proprietary models from companies like Runway and Luma, offering developers and creators an efficient tool for video generation.
New AI models revolutionize reasoning capabilities.
Recent advancements in AI, particularly OpenAI's O1 model series, showcase enhanced reasoning abilities that closely mimic human thought processes, allowing for better understanding of context and ambiguous data. These models can significantly impact fields like healthcare and finance by improving decision-making and problem-solving, while also raising challenges related to workforce skills and ethical considerations in AI integration.
AMD sets its sights on NVIDIA in AI chip war.
AMD plans to release its MI325X chip in Q4, claiming it will outperform NVIDIA's H200, which is also expected to ship around the same time. While AMD's MI355X won't be available until the second half of 2025, the company asserts it will offer a lower total cost of ownership compared to NVIDIA's offerings.
Recognition of AI innovations should include early pioneers.
Geoffrey Hinton's recent Nobel Prize in Physics for his machine learning work ignites debate on how innovation is recognized, particularly overshadowing earlier contributions from Paul Werbos and Shunichi Amari, whose foundational work on neural networks laid the groundwork for Hinton's advancements. This controversy highlights the need for a broader understanding of innovation as a collaborative process, reminding us that significant advancements often build on the incremental contributions of many, rather than being solely attributed to prominent figures.